All right. Welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to another session. Today we are gonna be reviewing our weekly Forex forecast, trading our multiple time frame system for the week of February 22nd to the 26th, 2021. This is the last week of February. This is it. So we are gonna be testing our knowledge and see how we're gonna be doing this week. So again, this is the whole week Forex forecast trading multiple time frame system. So let's get to work and let's see what the market is gonna do here. Let me bring this in here. There you go. Let me bring the logo as well so you won't be asking any question. Oh, what kind of system is that? Oh no. So let me go ahead and type here before we move on. What are we trading? Because it's very important, right? So we are trading, let me type it in here. We are trading multiple time frame system. Our website is the following. It is www.tweforexsystem.com. So you can find us in here if you do have any question. All right, cool. All right, so let's get to work and let's see what the market is gonna be doing this coming week, guys. Remember, one quick reminder is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? Wait. Are you still awake? Let's go. In hundreds of what? In hundreds of pips. That's what we need to be doing in this business here. So let's go ahead and start with silver. Is any of you guys planning to trade silver? This is my idea for silver, guys. Remember, silver here is selling, guys. It is still selling. So real time right now, our system is letting us know, Urban, we are in a sell. Sell. Look at what is it. Well, look at this sell. It tried to close on Friday as a sell and it did close. But the information is very weak in my opinion, because you cannot just go depend on 100% on one candle. So right now the market is doing what? Market is giving us a PV currently real time, because all we care is what is gonna happen tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? And Friday. So that's all we care. So we don't care what happens last week. Last week is only to use as a backup data to see, oh, market hashed this area and it most likely will bounce from this area and up. All right, so this is what I have for this week. What I'm seeing here is market still have room to drop and come back and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From here, maybe by Monday, I would say. Please, guys, don't trade today. I know the market will open this evening at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Sunday is not a good day to be trading, to be honest. It's not a good day to be trading. All right, so this is what I have for here. So market in this position here, we're looking for what? We're looking for the sell, boom, to be to drop. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday either 3 or 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna reanalyze the market in live basically with you, so you can see the video. Yesterday, Saturday, we record a pre-week video. I don't know if you guys have watched it or not, but I will probably, more likely, will put the link up in, below. Either way, it's there. It was there. Make sure you subscribe so you will never ever miss any content. And if you guys have any question, guys, please comment below. So I would like to hear exactly what is going on with this system. All right, so let's go. Let's move on to the next one here. The next one that I have for you here is USD JPY. Is anybody gonna be trading JPY? Because look, market here is clearly, guys, still dropping, right? Pay attention to what the real data is letting us know. Market here is giving us a sell position. All right, so it's giving us a sell position. Close the door, please. Bear with me, guys, please bear with me. So there you go. So what I'm seeing here is market is giving us a sell position right at this location here. This is real data, by the way. Real data is what? Look, it is dropping. Don't say that it's bullish, because if you tell me market is bullish in here, then something is wrong. So all I can say here, it will continue as a bearish position, most likely 1 or 2 candle. And then what are you guys expecting to see? So make this is what is happening, guys. And here it's showing us a bearish position. So all I can say, market will continue. It will make this a small PV stronger, right? Remember that the trend here is bullish. So right now, this will make this buy position here stronger, and then boom, we'll continue as a buy, retesting the 23-2R0 Fibonacci line, and then what? And then we'll make a reversal. By that time, we should be coming back on Wednesday at either 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. where we are going to be reviewing this exact same data that I'm telling you right now. So I'm very excited for this, guy. Please pay attention what the market is doing. That just don't trade blindly. So we're going to do this follow up, guys, on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Make sure you do subscribe and comment. You guys have any question? Any question, please comment below, so I will go ahead and do my best to give you the right answer, okay? So let's go. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next pair that I have for you guys is Euro GBP. This pair here was requested for a lot of traders. Euro GBP, guys, we all know Euro GBP been bearish for a very long time. Let me kind of like make the chart smaller so you can see. Let me shrink the candle. How did I come up with this level here? This level here is very key. Look, if you guys pay attention, there is no data whatsoever letting us know. And here the market is gonna be right where I put this magenta line in there. But let me maybe, you know what, let me go to the daily time. Actually, if I go to the daily time frame, it will remove everything. This is what I did. Pay attention in here. This is very key area, guys. Please pay attention. Buy data is telling you here is a support. We got some resistance here, resistance. So, but the level is very, I mean, we still got room to go down as a bearish. So I can see here is the market still had room to drop, to be honest. So that's why I came up and I draw the magenta line. This is very interesting using a multiple time frame. I don't know if I know there's a lot of traders here that don't use multiple time frame, and they do depend on this analysis that we do every Saturday and Sunday. So today is Sunday anyway. So this is what I said. Look, market still have room here to drop a few more candles, or either, you know, probably 1 or 2 candles here. And then what do you think is going to happen next? From this area here, market will go bullish. All right, market will go bullish right from this area here. Guys, bear with me, please. All right, from this area here, we are expecting to go in a buy position. It's that simple, guys. From here, boom, we are gonna be getting a better bullish position. But all I can think, to be honest, Euro GBP, it looks, guys, it's getting ready for a strong PV. It's getting strong for a long PV. So yeah, maybe I will enter on this pair, guys, but not today, because I mean today is Sunday. I know the market will open today at what 5 p.m. Eastern time in the next couple hours. I'm not planning to trade today. Most likely I will do it on Monday or either Tuesday. But this, I love this pair, to be honest. Euro GBP is testing a very good area. So do you guys have any question? Any question? Don't feel shy, guys. We here live with you. So just comment below if you have any question. Hey, that is the only way that you can improve your AA skills. And also, guys, we are coming live on Tuesday, we're gonna do a Zoom call. I mentioned it yesterday on my pre-week. We're gonna do a Zoom call where we're gonna review the market with my team as well, so they can ask better questions. Today we are trading our weekly forecast. Yesterday we trade our pre-week forecast. So trading our multiple time frame. All right, so if you guys, I don't know if you guys are interested on grabbing a multiple time frame, the link is below anyway. Come and join us or join our Gold membership, however you want. All right, hopefully this makes sense. Let me go ahead and show you the next pair. Next pair of the day, it is the following. This is Euro USD Peso. This guy here is bearish. This pair here, it is bearish. This is what I'm seeing. I know, guys. I know everyone will say, Irvin, why would you say the market is bearish? Well, look. So market here currently, real time right now, it told us market is going where? Market is going boom, bullish, right? So all I can say is market is already exhausted. It's trying to push down. It already gave us the signal. Hey, guys, I'm ready to roll. So pay attention to the daily time frame. The daily time frame is telling you market is ready or doing what? Market it is dropping. So that's what I'm saying. Market may come back and retest the 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, market has to take a break, right? It has to take a break. It has to come back. And what? Look, brothers and sisters are right on this area here. Boom. Most likely it's gonna come back and retest our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, we are expecting to see the market in continuation of what? Boom. A sell position. That's what I'm seeing here, guys. Really, that's what I'm seeing. This is key, guys. This is key. I love it. This pair here is beautiful. It's beautiful. I may enter on this one as well as in a continuation of the sell. I really like this pair, to be honest. I like this pair. I also like Euro GBP as a buy. Most likely, guys, I'm gonna be entering a few of these on my real trades, because sometimes I don't want to reveal and tell you, hey guys, I'm gonna be on this specific trade, because I don't want you guys to depend and say on signals. The signal, to be honest, is BS, guys. Don't having somebody else to think for you is not a good way to trade. You have to do it yourself, because the money is for you. You gotta put the skills together. The skill count, you know, all the data is here. The skill count from you. Because if you depend on signals, you're never gonna learn what you're doing, to be honest. Never ever. All right, so the next pair that I have here is Euro USD. Last time I just brought this pair here because people were asking me, Irvin, what do you think about Euro USD? Well, remember, guys, last week Euro USD was doing what? Market was giving us a PV, right? This PV here was very, very bullish. It went back up, boom. And then look at this huge engulfing candle here. Fake out a lot of people. A lot of people start putting more buy here, and then all of a sudden the market is dropping. So this is my understanding for this pair here, guys. Market here still have few rooms to go bullish. I would say maybe one or two more candle make this sell here stronger, and then market from here, boom, it will give us a continuation of the sell. Because all I'm seeing on Euro USD is a sell, unless if there is a news that is gonna pop in this coming week, market will switch and do something else. But also, guys, that always check our website, to be honest. Let me bring the website so you can understand where to check the news and so on. So when you come here to your browser, just type TWEForexSystem.com, right? Just right here, TWEForexSystem.com. Come to our website and check the market news. Click where it says market news, and then it will give you the economic calendar, forex calculator, community outlook. Community outlook is the key, guys. that is it. This one will take you directly to what you want to see. So we put here myforexbook.com because that is the news, the website of the news that we use. So what I want you to do here is come where it says community upload, and you can check all the news that are popping in. Look, they just added this new feature here. That's why it's very important, guys, to be honest. It's always very important to double check what my FX book is doing, because look, this is a new feature they added, the symbol popularity. It's very, very new. Look, this is what I was saying, guys. Look, Euro USD, look, 72% are selling and 28% of the traders are going bullish. Pay close attention what our system is letting us know. This is the power of using our multiple time frame. Look, I'm not making this up. Look at what our system is telling us. Our system told us, Irving, we are doing what? We are doing a bullish position. Boom! Market is in a bullish position. Look at what this guy is saying. This guy here, Euro USD, is also in a buy position. If you enter in a sell, look, there is minus 202 pips of people selling. There is 7 pips still pushing bullish. You see, the system is telling you we are in a buy position. If you start selling right now, putting sell, 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 then you're gonna be on the negative. You're gonna be on that 72% population selling. But our system here is letting us know we are selling here. All right. So this is very important. Also, if you want to grab our multiple time frame, is here. Come to the store, to the gold membership. If you want to do the what's his name, the gold membership, or either you can come and grab our multiple time frame here in our store. Click in here and boom, it will take you and let you grab it from here. All right. So enough is enough. So hopefully this makes sense, guys. This was Euro USD. Euro USD currently is in a buy position. Still have a few more room before the market continue and sell down. All right. So, and yesterday, Saturday, we did record our pre-week, our GBP USD, Gold, Euro AUD, and USD CHF. I just add USD CHF because there was 3 traders that sent me a private message. Irving, what do you think about USC? So I was like, okay, let me do the analysis and let's figure it out, because I didn't know what was going on. So hopefully, guys, everything makes sense to you. I really like what Euro GBP is doing this week, to be honest. Come and join us. Make sure, guys, make sure to subscribe. So to subscribe to our channel so you will not miss any content of what we're gonna be doing this coming week. We're coming live on Tuesday. We're gonna do our Zoom call. Hopefully I will see you there, so you will not miss any opportunity in the market. Okay, so so like I say, today we were doing our weekly forecast, reviewing the market with you, real time, real data, and that's it. That makes sense? All right, guys, so thank you so much. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Let's go. All right, let's get these hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. Thank you, guys. God bless you forever. Take care. Bye-bye.